What's up, y'all? David Daz. Alright, so it's not about bikes this time. It's about the ATV winch, the Batlin winches, 2,500 pound capacity from Harbor Freight. So the issue that they didn't tell you is that this bracket right here has to be welded onto another piece or whatnot. That's the guide that you have to put on there, I heard. I was going to run it without it, but I said, nah, let me go ahead and do it the right way before I had some problems. So I went to Home Depot and bought this plate. It's like a 2-inch plate or whatever. I don't know how thick it is. Got these bolts, different miscellaneous bolts and stuff. Not miscellaneous, but I had to get the size for it. Okay, on this winch guide, you have to I took those off so that I can get this through there and I'm going to show you. But this is the roller pins, and I'm going to put those on. And this should be good to go. I'm going to show you how to do it without welding, because I didn't have a way to weld it and I didn't want to go find a welder. So as you can see, I've been cutting and I had my Dremel to cut. And my drill is over there on the table. But there's a plate, so let's go over here to the winch. It's on a Nissan Titan long bed, and this is to put motorcycles on back of. I want to be able to put motorcycles on here. Okay, so here's my install right here. I'm going to show you guys. I put this brace bar all the way across there, Home Depot. They already have bolts already in the bed liner, so all I did is buy new bolts, extend it, and they go behind here. And that's just a brace bar. As you can see, same bar, I cut in half and I made my little brackets right there to hold it. As you can see, I got spacers right there. Pretty easy to do. Here's my guide right there. So that bar I told you, you cut it in half and I drill it 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, right there, right there. And it's pretty sturdy on there. That's all I need to do is to guide it. See, there it is. And that way I can pull my bikes up without stressing or straining about dropping it or whatnot. And guide on there. And then there's a battery. So I did hook up an external battery. There's a remote box. I put a piece of wood there, and I sprayed it with, car paint, so that way it won't soak up the wood and expand and all that. And I keep an eye on it, but it works pretty good. So the way you do is you hold this button down, then the light comes on, and then you can go extend. It's pretty loud, but it's pretty dope though. It's gonna work fine. So I like it. But that's it. Pretty easy to do. You don't need to weld it. And I can disconnect the battery and put it up, or hook it to your car battery, whatever you want to do. That's just easy for me to do. But then when I'm using my bikes, pull it up, take it apart, and then call it a day. Just take the battery off. But that's easy. You guys can do that too.